Hey everyone, tell me if this situation sounds familiar.
Hmm. It has been a while since I've worked on my Capstone project. Let me go work on it and fix that performance issue. But wait, do I remember which performance bottleneck I was working on last? How could I forget this? I have to abandon this project again. Someone, please save me. I don't want to do this another time.
A survey related to the management of projects at universities across the US shows that there are almost 2 million students who get involved in capstone projects, work with the team, and solve real-world problems. To avoid such scenarios for almost 2 million students, we bring to you a revolutionary and dynamic platform that helps manage projects and track team collaboration seamlessly. With a clear to use and intuitive interface, you can add project stories that you and your team are working on and track their progress week after week. The developers of the project can change the status of the story and fast track it until the feature is released. The platform also takes into account the change of developers in the middle of a sprint. This product also has features for professors where they can register and grade students on a weekly basis and provide the right guidance throughout the quarter in a timely fashion. So what's next? Some of the upcoming features in our platform would be the grading feature and the weekly feedback by the professor. Another upcoming feature is the version control access, where the projects have a seamless integration with GitHub. We're also working on a feature where the capstone projects would be interchanged between teams at the end of the quarter. If you want to know more about a product, then please drop by at the Capstone Showcase. Thank you.